phone, so it might be recording your conversation. So I know y'all gotta watch your language.
Yeah, whatever. But the thing about it is, that camera ain't gonna hear what we say, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna hear what you say.
Yeah, he's got it connected to his, he's got Cardo connected to his GoPro.
This is a good day, man.
Yep.
It's a good day to be able to cruise and not be forced to ride fast.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I know you know how it feels. Sometimes when we ride with certain people, we don't get to really enjoy the ride. I mean, we gotta focus on making sure we keep the bike on, upright on the wheels.
That's because we're babysitting.
Yeah.
Oh boy, y'all something else. Y'all something else. Real funny. I don't know.
Nah, we ain't talking about babysitting.
No, we want talking about you.
Yeah, okay.
We just saying in general.
My thing is.
So you think the last time we all came up here, it was Scobie, his brother's girlfriend, and that guy that was on the shadow.
Yep.
And what happened? And what happened that time?
The old side, and who was leading the old side?
I don't know. I wasn't with y'all. I don't remember that.
Yeah, Tyler was leading the old side.
I don't remember that.
Where that go, Tom?
I played the fifth.
Where that road go?
The road y'all was on. I think.
No.
That road that y'all was talking about, y'all was on?
Yeah, that looked like a Park Service road, though.
It could be. I don't know. Man, we behind a bunch of slow cars now.
Yeah, and a slow motorcycle. Well, I shouldn't say that. He's enjoying the ride.
Yeah, you just chilling.
He's enjoying his ride.
Ride your ride. That's what it's about.
Yep.
There's an Ultra coming down there.
So you get in front of us.
Another Ultra coming down.
Oh, there comes the more Mustang. They look like
Yeah. What is that?
Hey, I'm gonna pass these cars when we get a straightaway.
Well, be careful, man, because there's a lot of cars to pass. Yeah. And it ain't really. It really ain't that big of a deal, you know what I mean? We'll be off of it in a minute. Patience, patience. Hey, Tez, man.
Never get y'all's microphone on mute.
No, I couldn't. Hey, Tez, you ain't gonna eat before you go to work?
Nah.
Man, y'all killing me.
Nah, I'm good, man.
Woo, Carl.
You ain't lying. Yeah, I guess they letting us pass though. I thought you said that Honda was holding you up, Harold.
I don't know. He's got some rap.
Yeah, I think he said that Harley ain't got nothing for him. I think that's what I heard him say from back here, to be honest with you.
Yeah, but guess what? He done slowed up now.
I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing. I actually like the slow pace that we ride in today. Oh guys, if y'all don't know, we're actually going back down. We stopped at the top. You saw the drone footage. And now we're headed back down. Don't know where we're going to end up today. We're just out riding, you know what I mean? That's what it's about. That is what it's all about. Just hanging out, having a good time.
Get ready for Traveling Tall's Runs at Hill 6, June 4th, 5th, and 6th in Knoxville, Tennessee. If you love meeting good people and riding motorcycles, then this is the event for you. And all motorcycle brands are welcome. So come on down and bring a friend. And if you don't have one, don't let that stop you from coming. I guarantee you'll make one when you get here. This is a family-friendly event, so bring the whole family. There's plenty of epic roads and beautiful scenery.
What do you think about the ride so far?
Loving it, man.
Awesome.
Great calls, great people. That's what it's all about.
Hey.
Doing great.
And you came from where again?
Ann Arbor, Michigan.
Thank you for coming down.
Third year.
Thank you for coming down, man. Mother? son out riding motorcycles together. That's a beautiful thing. What do you think about it so far? The ride?
Love it.
It was wonderful.
How you doing?
Good, good. I'm blessed.
How you doing today?
Oh, we're doing wonderful. We've had a great time.
Again, if you like riding motorcycles and meeting good people, then this is the event for you. Come on down to Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 6, June 4th, 5th, and 6th in Knoxville, Tennessee. Be sure to check out YouTube channel Traveling Tall and subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when more information becomes available. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
Tez has to be at work at 6, and we're gonna head that way to drop him off. He's riding his bike to work, so we're just gonna ride to the gate or whatever.
Hey, y'all can have a tour if you want one.
What you say?
So you can get a tour if you want one.
I can get in too.
Yeah,
And do what?
I can give y'all a tour.
I might do that one day though.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I would one day. That would be cool. Oh, that's that strobe effect right there coming through those trees.
Yep, right here, yeah. Oh man, that hurts.
Yeah.
Good thing this Honda slowed up.
Yeah.
He in front of us. He got up on the ball.
I'm glad he slowed up too. Harold was having a hard time keeping up with him.
Man, I know.
Yeah. I mean, peer pressure is something else, you know what I mean? Ride your ride, Harold. Don't let that Honda intimidate you.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
No, okay.
He's
Just
gonna
making
have to
sure.
say something crazy.
Just make sure he don't, you know.
Boy, I tell you what, I should have put my jacket on.
Man, you cold.
Man, coming down this mountain.
Man,
You already got 3 layers on.
No, I don't. I got a hoodie on, and that's it. I ain't even lying. This time, I mean, it's okay. Okay, it's cool, but it ain't cold.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah, I wasn't meaning it was cold. I was just saying it's cool. But as soon as we come out, and what it is, behind the trees is where it was getting me at.
Yep.
But yeah, so you can take anybody in town to do a tour.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
How many people can you bring?
Probably up to 10.
All right, Harold, we got 7 tickets we can sell. I mean, 8 tickets we can sell then. That'd be our side hustle. $50 a piece.
$50 a head.
Hey, this curve will get you sometimes. You ever notice that?
Yep.
It's what?
This curve will get you sometimes. Like,
Yeah, and I very seldom ever come
Yeah,
this
like
way.
right here.
oh, you very seldom come back this way, huh?
Yeah, because I usually go all the way through and then go to my mom and dad's.
Oh yeah, you better be careful coming back. But riding it, going up's pretty tame. But coming back, it is a little different. These curves hit a little different coming back.
Yeah, I ain't never come back, but word itself. Because I usually did. If I'm gonna go all the way through, a lot of times I come back Parker's Valley before I come back this way.
Yeah.
Right, my 3rd time going this way.
Sport bike, he rolling too. So everybody that's watching this video, I'm glad you guys, hopefully you guys are enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. Just a different look to get out. I'll probably just won't do a whole lot of editing and just like let it run. For people that want to get out and ride the bike, this will be a good way for you guys to kind of get a little taste of wind therapy. Oh, I better get back in the throttle. They leaving me.
Yeah, we better get out though.
Yeah. Which way you go? To the right or the left?
I'll go to the right. Anytime I ain't really got to cross the road, I don't cross the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
See, like right here, if we go left, we got to cross the road.
Yeah.
Oh, there are them bikes.
I wonder if they good. Yeah. Y'all good? Yep. right, just go. Keep going straight. You literally don't have to turn.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about up here once we get on this road. I know we got to turn somewhere.
No, for a long,
go
long
straight.
time.
There
Yeah.
goes Lenore City.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Oh, there they go. There they go. No, Toro, we gonna let them have it today. They can have it. They can go on, huh?
Hold on, what is that bike back here?
I don't know.
I just happened to see it.
Yeah.
Oh.
He coming up on you though.
Man, hey, Ted, you remember that Pan American, them guys?
Yeah.
They were right there at the gas station. They
Oh,
left
were
a
they?
long time before us.
Yeah, they did.
I mean, well,
Nah, they left a minute before us.
surely y'all want to get around these cars, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come on
Hey,
over.
I'm just, oh, y'all the one. Hey, I'll follow the lead. Y'all ain't gonna blame me.
And now they speed up.
Oh, I thought you was gonna go and get in front of them.
11.5. Yep, I'm 11.5.
I know you were talking about up Cortez. At one time, you had yours in 6th gear. Why was that?
I got used to the feeling.
Oh, okay.
I just, going to the 6th gear and was stopping.
I'm just back here with y'all, just chilling.
Yeah, okay. And that's killing you.
No, it ain't. I try to grow up a little bit, man. I mean, you know what I mean? Just trying not to do such silly stuff all the time, you know. Cause, you know,
It's just when you get around, what, more people,
no, I'm just trying to be good instead of,
just relax
Always-
and take an easy day.
yeah, I'm trying to relax today, yeah.
Yeah. Basically, how I say sometimes I just want to ride and just cruise. Like,
Yeah,
I've been on Foothills and I got over 40, 45. And that's like going slow. For
yeah,
us.
yeah,
It be that way sometimes.
yeah. Well, I guess I'll stop my camera here. All right, guys, I'll pick it back up a little bit later because we're just on the straight road right now. Nothing to see right now. All right, see you then.